Who is a builder? Well, let's imagine that you have an idea for an app or a website, something you've been thinking of for years, and you've heard now that it's easier than ever to build an app. No coding experience required. But how do you actually do that? How do you build an app? Where do you get started? If you're asking that question, you are a builder. And the answer is right here, goo.gle/builders. Now, the page might look different by the time you get to it because we're working hard on adding more labs and videos to this page. We want to make it easier for everyone getting started on their builder journey to turn their idea into a reality. And we want you to let us know what would make it easier for you to get started. Want us to create a video on a particular topic? Put a comment on this video. Want us to create a lab for a specific app idea that you have? Put a comment on this video. And when you make something and you're proud of it and you want to tell us about what you built, put a comment on this video. We'd love to see it. Welcome to the Builder era and happy building.